Today we are previewing 16964 Briggs Court in Maple Village. Wonderful neighborhood. Beautiful ranch home, as you're going to see. Lovely front porch. Can't you just see yourself sitting out on that, drinking nice refreshing drink after splashing down in the community pool, which this community has. So here we go through the front door, and immediately you will see laminate flooring, which was installed by the sellers. And then there is a formal dining room right off of the front. Now this could be anything. You could make this an office if you wanted to, or keep it a dining room. And then you have the entry, and that is the stairs for upstairs, which I will show you here in just a second. So one of the things that you'll notice as you come in, it's a pretty nice entryway. It's a dramatic foyer in that the ceilings are vaulted, which is great. This is the kitchen. It's kind of got this open concept going on, where you have the family room and the kitchen combined, so that's really nice. And the vaulted ceilings make it especially wonderful. Gives it a nice big feel. And so this is the kitchen. Backsplash, countertops, sink were all added by the sellers. And then you have pantry right there. And this is the family room. Really nice. Again, nice laminate floors. Outside you have a little patio and a completely fenced in backyard, which is great. So you kind of have a split floor plan where the master is in the back of the house. It's nicely sized, as you can see. And then you have your in-suite, en-suite, however you want to say it, bathroom right off of the master bedroom. And so that's really nice. You have a nice little linen closet there, and then you have a nice garden tub combo shower. So as we go back out, you will see that here's the other part of the house. The other two bedrooms are here. You got a nice big laundry room, and that's a coat closet. That's the door for the garage. And then you have a washer and dryer on pedestals, and they stay with the house. Then you have a half bath, or I'm sorry, a full bath, another full bath, second bath. And so that's nice. Then you have the other two bedrooms. This one is set up as an office. And another linen closet here. And another bedroom right here. And they're all decently sized. I want to say that the bedrooms, the two bedrooms are 12 by 10. Both of them are 12 by 10, and then the master is 16 by 13. So, lastly, we will go upstairs. I'll take my shoes off here and go up stairs. And then this is a really nice area. This can be It could be, you know, a rec room. It could be a playroom for the kids. It could be whatever you want. That's where the utilities are, in that closet. So that's nice, they're out of the way. But, you know, nice big space here. You know, nice big window. And so this is a really cool, versatile space. So I hope you'll want to come and check this out for yourself. This house is being offered at $229,900, which is a great deal. And it is move-in ready, obviously. And if you want some more information on it, you can give me a call at 317-490-3206, or you can go out onto our website, www.vision1realestate.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.